Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. Today we'll see the sample answer for IELTS speaking cue card, piece of art or painting. Before that, if you like my video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Let's see the question. Describe a piece of art that you really like. You should say how it looks, where you first saw it, why you like it, what you know about it, and explain how you felt when you first saw it. The answer is one of my favorite pieces of art called Mona Lisa is a half-length portrait painting which was painted by Italian artist Leonardo da Vinci from the 15th century and extremely famous in the whole world. I saw this painting at Louvre Museum in Paris couple of years ago. It is said that the painting of a woman named Lisa who was the wife of a nobleman at that time. The half-length portrait painting is painted as oil on wood and is owned by the France. Government of France is on the walls of Louvre Museum. The painting presents a woman in half-body portrait was which has a backdrop a distance landscape. He used his self-taught technique to blend the paint pigments, particularly around the corners of the eyes and mouth. The artist created a painting that worth 1,000 words and has become the icon painting of all at that time. At first sight, all I noticed in the painting was a long haired woman with a friendly smile on her face, which was quite round, and she had no eyebrows either. The Mona Lisa looked as if she was smiling cheerfully, but having on the fine detail gave her a more demure expression. In 2007, French engineer Pascal Cotte announced that these ultra-high resolution scans of the providings provide the evidence that Mona Lisa was originally painted with eyelashes and with visible eyebrows, but that these had gradually disappeared over time, perhaps as a result of overcleaning. I think that the Mona Lisa is a masterpiece that attracts people with a magical smile. This is also one of the main reasons why I am a fan of the painting. The idea of cosmic link connecting humanity and nature making this painting an enduring record of Leonardo's vision. The painting came under the attack more than once. This is the reason that the painting was given bulletproof glass so as to further stay away from the hate and harm. Guinness World Records list the Vinci Mona Lisa as having the highest ever insurance value for painting. Overall, it is one of the most favorite piece of art in the whole world. Thank you for watching.